guys, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Tell you why I got a dirty canvas. I did a video right before this and it did not turn out at all. So I scraped it and we're gonna start a good one. Start a different one. So here's my painting from my last video. It's dark. Turned out, I had a black background, but the colors are really pretty. Some lacing, and it does have some cells. There's a little caterpillar right there. I like it. So if anybody likes black background, this one's for you. And my information to get in contact with me is at the bottom of every video. So, okay, that's my cut. And we're just gonna layer colors and see what happens. And all my colors will be in the bottom, in the description box. Don't think, maybe just a tad of red. Red takes over a lot. Hope everybody's being safe, doing what they're supposed to be doing with all the chaos that's going on. I don't know what happened to my video, but it did not work out, but that happens. In one of my other videos, the lighting didn't work out. It kept getting bright and dim, and then bright and dim, and I don't know what happened to it. But it was a mess. I know that. I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas today. I'm putting the colors down close so that they go down inside each other. I'm not layering them today. I'm not really putting them in any particular color. Just kind of slopping them in there, kind of to see what happens. And then I am going to put silicone in this one, just so I can kind of see what happens. I think that's probably good. Get this open. A little bit of silicone. Do want to give it a couple stirs. Get that in there good. There we go. One last little squirt of that. There we are. Yucky hands. Go put some. I don't know what color I want to put around it. Get a paper towel. Wipe my hands off. I'm sorry about the mess. I just didn't feel like cleaning it up after the botch job there was. Some of this light lavender. Let's go around it with that. I love this color. So pretty. Even though that little bit of red I put in there, look at it. It's taken over. If you like the color red, there it is. There's our torch. Okay. It's really pretty so far. You get it really pretty, you hate to tip any of it off. Kind of got to decide where you want to go and what you can get rid of. Turn you around here so you can keep seeing what I'm doing. Looks like we got some nice big cells. Don't want to drop my canvas and all the gunk down below here. Let's get it to this one last corner and we'll be good. All right. Look at this moved over. See what we're coming up with here. Underneath sides wiped off. If you don't keep your underneath sides wiped off, it'll pull your design down. You want to make sure that even after you're done, that you come back every once in a while and make sure that you're wiping them off so that it doesn't pull. Alrighty then, wipe my hands off. Give it a torch. Red really took over, even though I didn't have very much on there. Very much in my cup. Let's give you a close-up. That will be it for today, everybody. Please be safe. Leave me a comment if you so desire, please. If you're interested in any of my work, you can get a hold of me. All my information will be down in the description box below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little bell and you'll be notified when I put up a new video. Please share with your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up. That helps me greatly with YouTube and the algorithm in which I'm listed with them. So I sure appreciate it. I appreciate all my subscribers. I love to hear from you. And that's about it for today. Get my grimy gloves off. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.